Without attachment to any destination or outcome, I accepted the doing of each mile with joy. That was the way. A road up and over a mountain pass, a highway across the country, the journey of life, all with acceptance of what is, without attachment to what might be, embracing the here and now. That is the way. The dance that was the orchestra of activity which propelled me on the motorcycle along the road was effortless. Shifting up and down through the gears, braking, twisting the throttle, leaning and looking far and wide, I was watching it all happen. I didn't have to think about how to breathe. It just happened. I wasn't conducting all the activity on the motorcycle. It just happened. The boundary between me, the motorcycle, the road, and the environment slipped away. I was flying through space. It was an eternal moment. In a place between life and death, there is the eternal moment outside of time and space. This is where there is pure acceptance of the oneness. This is where I will always be and have always been. It is the recognition and knowing of the universal truth that we are all connected, never alone, never separate, and that we are creation. We are creation, the universe experiencing itself. My body was electric, and I could feel the energy from head to toe. There was no containing it. Bliss radiated from my being. Waves of gratitude poured from my heart. The smile, the tears in my eyes, and each breath was recognition that I was not alone. The knowing came. I was not just Noah. I was and would be forever eternal. I was and I am creation at play. I sat on the bike moving at speed down the road in that eternal moment. It was a good day to die.